Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB M8. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with 2 non-security passwords, which is non, swipe. Now let's select PIN, then let's select password, and in the end let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go to one biometric available, which is face recognition. Tap continue, and now simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, right now I can't scan my face because of the lighting in this room, but basically you scan your face in front of the front camera, then after you lock the phone, you'll be able to use your face to unlock it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.